Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm ready to make another junk journal. I've been collecting things that come in the mail or product packaging, and I thought these would make good things for a junk journal. Let's take a look at what I've collected, and then in a future video I'll come back and show you assembling the signatures and making the cover. Then I'll do a flip through of the completed journal. I see people online saying, where do you buy your supplies for junk journals? And my answer is, you don't have to buy anything. You can just wait for it to come to your mailbox. Things like catalogs, empty boxes. This was a craft that we got as a gift to make some diamond paintings that were sun catchers. I think I may be able to fashion the cover out of this nice cardboard box, and that's such a pretty picture. Lots of oversized postcards and mailers come in the mail, and look, some of them even fold out. How cool would that be for an interior page to fold out? More oversized postcards. These are a nice sturdy material, and I think folded in half, these would be a nice interior page. So I've been saving these postcards. Usually they go directly in the recycle bin. Here's another one that folds out several times. I think that could make a really interesting interactive fold out for a junk journal page. This one folds out as well. Here's one that a friend gave me. She picked it up at a store. Look, it folds out like that. And I could collage on here or cover it with paper. This was on a box of cupcakes that my daughter sent me for Mother's Day. What a pretty belly band that will make. It's a nice sturdy paper. More postcards. Here is a little postcard that was in with the cupcakes. A Junior Mints box. That might make an interesting cover for a mini journal, or I may cut some tags from it. Here's another one of those brochures that folds out. Another postcard. This cardboard was in with the cupcakes that I got for Mother's Day, so I can use that in some way. And then when I finish a coloring book, I like to repurpose my pages into my junk journals. And I think if you fold these in half, I think this would be the perfect size for a junk journal. And let's see, the postcards would go like that, and maybe 2 or 3 pages per signature. Because these are pretty thick, I'll just make a journal with maybe 5 or 6 signatures of 3 papers like this. That might be a signature. And then with pockets and things, so it would start to get pretty thick, but this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 surfaces to create on in a little signature. And if you did that 5 times, you'd end up with 60 pages to decorate and journal on. I think that might work. So I will get busy trying to figure out how to make my cover with this box. I think it's going to be the perfect size. If I cut these flaps off, they'll be maybe a little 1/4 inch around, and then I can somehow reinforce the spine. I'll have to fold it there and somehow reinforce the spine because there's going to be a couple of folds on that. But I have plenty of other cardboard here that I could reinforce the spine with, even if I use this coloring book cover. That might be interesting on the spine. Let me know what you think about this. Have you ever made a junk journal out of items like this that would otherwise go unused and go into your recycle bin? This is one of my favorite things to do, and I just love creating something from nothing. So come back again, and in a future video, I will get these signatures and the cover all set up. Until then, keep on scrapping and paper crafting.